Welcome friends, a lesson about crypto market, how it works, why it created, how you can trade it, best exchange where you can trade many stuff which would be useful for all beginners. I ask you to smash like button because YouTube shares this video to other people. That's the best thank you from your side. And let's start. What is a crypto market, how it works? For a start, we should speak about fiat money versus crypto money, because main idea of crypto market started when a lot of central banks started printing their money. Fiat money is a government-issued currency that isn't backed by commodities such as gold. Fiat money gives central banks great control over the economy. Once more, main reason why cryptocurrency created, because fiat money just printed, really printed, and huge amount of them. Example for you of United States dollar. Take a look from this data from 1959. As you can see, they printed so much amount of dollars. Here is a crisis of 2008. As you can see, they printed since that time. This is United States money supply. It is how much money are inside in economy. And at this moment, every central bank can just print money, print by button. Just imagine that you need to work, you need to build business, build house, something like that. And they just need to print and they have that money. It is not only in the United States. If you would take a look on United Kingdom, you would see the same. United States, United Kingdom money supply, as you can see, since 1970, as you can see, even since 2010, they printed, they nearly doubled. From 2000, as you can see, they more than doubled amount of money in economy, but amount of people didn't double. It's okay when we have, for example, population of country increase in 2 times and they create in 2 times more money because those people will need it. But no, that didn't happen. So soon in this world we will have a problem. That's why crypto market come to us, and that's why there are a crypto market. Once more, fiat money, it is a government money. Crypto money, it is a people's money. Fiat money, example for you, Euro, USD, British pound, Swiss franc, Japanese and Canadian, Australian, doesn't matter. Nearly every country at this moment in the world has their own money. About money, why crypto market created? Because main functions of money at this moment they cannot do. Main function of money, it is store of value, unit of account, and transfer value. But at this moment you cannot store value in USD. Because you saw how much they printed. Take a look. Here is a buying power of 1 USD over big period of time. As you can see, take a look. In 1900, as you can see, we have on this current USD, we can buy on 95% less than it was 100 years ago. Such decrease in purchasing power is huge. That means when you put aside your money, all government will eat it. Because just imagine, if you just save money, you need to work, you need to have degree, build business, you need to do a lot of stuff to make money. And when you work, you put aside some part of your money. But for those governments, they just need to print. Many years ago, they needed to print. At this moment, they don't even need to print it. They just create few buttons inside of their system, and that's all. That's how it created. That's why crypto market and crypto money were created. And at this moment, the most important and the most popular one, it is a Bitcoin. And if you will take a look on a chart, few seconds, I would show to you a chart of a Bitcoin. If you will take a look on Bitcoin and on its graph over the time, you can see that Bitcoin price only increased. Take a look. It is a Bitcoin, and you can see Bitcoin price. As you can see, since in 2012, Bitcoin price was nearly 8 USD, something like that. After that, 1,000 USD in 2014. And take a look at this moment, as you can see, Bitcoin at 13,000. It's example for you how Bitcoin increased. Yes, there were big volatility in 2019, but still take a look. As you can see, Bitcoin still rising up. And as you can see, since start of this year, since January 20, Bitcoin up nearly 40%. That's example for you how the difference is huge. What's the main advantages and positive sides of crypto market? You can withdraw and send any amount at any time. A few days ago, Bitcoin largest transactions. At this moment, if you want to send money from your bank account, first your money must be, you need to show to your tax authority where you get that money. You need to pay all taxes. Also, if you will need cash, sometimes in some countries you cannot withdraw. For example, if you have 1 million on your account, they would say, oh, okay, man, stop. If you want to take it as a cash, that means you can buy drugs and we will not be able to see you. That's fine. No, we will not give you that money. On crypto, there is no government regulation. You can send any amount at any time which you have on your Bitcoin wallet. By the way, lesson how you can buy Bitcoin will be below this video. It will be different ways how you can buy Bitcoin through physical money anonymously. Also, if you are a trader and you are looking for a strategy on which you can trade Bitcoins, below this video there would be lessons about breakout and false breakout. It's free lessons. And also, if you want, you can join our course for advanced people who want to build a strategy and learn how to trade. All links will be below this video. You should scroll down and of course push like button. Another one, no taxes. For some countries it's really awesome, because if you pay taxes in United States, Germany, where sometimes you will have up to 40-50% taxes, for a lot of people it's good way how you can avoid all of this stuff. Also, no one can block your money. It's not like there are investigation and some court said that you made something illegal and they block your accounts. No, when it is in crypto, no one can block your accounts. Someone can steal, but no one can block. Small fees. Imagine here on this situation, on this transaction, they sent nearly 88 Bitcoins and it was 1.15 million of USD, and transaction cost was 3.58 USD. October, as you can see, few days ago. Today it is October 30th, and what happened? There were one really big transaction on Bitcoin, which was more than 1 million in 1 second, and transaction fee was 3 USD. It's really small. Anonymously, what also are the good stuff on crypto? Some cryptocurrencies you can buy and sell anonymously. You don't need to show to your tax authority or your government that you have it. Okay, it's a positive, the biggest positive side. Negative side of crypto, it is a volatility. First, it is first and the biggest problem. It is volatility, because if you will take a look here. In 2017, let's start from 2000. Bitcoin rose up 2,500%. Price rose up 2,500%. After that, price dropped down 83% from its high. After that, price rose up 300%. After that, price dropped down 72%. And after that, price rose up 240%. As you can see, Bitcoin volatility is quite big. But if you will take a look on a bigger perspective and you will take a look on bigger chart, you would see that value of Bitcoin always rising. What's the main reason? Because you cannot print Bitcoin. When Satoshi Nakamoto created Bitcoin, you can create only 21 billions of Bitcoins. Few seconds, crypto market vs coin market cap. About Bitcoin, you can watch on this website, coin market cap. That would be linked below, and maybe we will record a lesson about coin market cap. And here you can read about every currency and take a look. Bitcoin maximum supply is 21 million. People who created Bitcoin, they wrote in a code that there could be only 21 million Bitcoin in the world. That's all. Just imagine only 21 million Bitcoin. As you can see, currently there are created 18 millions of Bitcoin. So soon there would be no more additional Bitcoins in the system. And those people who will want Bitcoin, they will be able only buy it. and many people use it. And other stuff about crypto, no security. That's biggest negative side. One of my friend, his name is David from Norway, and he invested in some project. He invested 60,000 euro and his money was stolen. Also at this moment, most of people use crypto for illegal transactions. Like people want to avoid tax authorities, some government officials, if they work inside in some governments, they won't just take their money, and for it they can use crypto. It's the best, because if you a corrupt politician, the best way how someone can pay money to you is to buy crypto. Also drugs, weapons, other stuff, also in most cases it used for crypto, and I think that's the reason why crypto will never disappear, because many governments try to avoid all of that stuff, but as you know, as you see, it's impossible. What I would like to tell you, my dear friends, about crypto market: use it. If you want to trade crypto market, use this coin market cap. This here is on this website. You can read about every cryptocurrencies. Also here you can use. You can read about every exchange for which you can change crypto. Also, if you would like to buy Bitcoin, below this video there would be a link, video lesson where you can buy Bitcoin. And also, if you need some help in buying Bitcoin, you can write to us. We will help you. See you, my friend. Thank you for your time.